I'm from Mexico.
How do you feel about SkyTow?
Well, it's quite impressive how stable it is, and even though it was a little bit windy, I felt that we were climbing really good, really fast. It was stable and it was so easy, short distance, perfect.
Perfect. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah.
You come to China, go to the Drone Congress for 3 days, and then you come to our Bluewing.
Yes.
What do you learn about our Bluewing?
Yes, we came here for the drone conference, and we have some friends in Mexico that they saw this in the Instagram, and they told me, please find SkyTow. We really want to test this new technology. It's really nice because maybe it's a game changer for the paragliding world in the few years. So it's impressive, and thanks. Everything is really, really good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.